Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar bulls gathered and took the upward journey overnight and briefly struck a high of 72.25 before its retreat against its rival, the US dollar. Before slipping back underneath 72.20, the market still at this stage appears to be showing some selling pressure. Therefore, could see a move back to 71.75, which is the 60-day moving average. A break beneath there and a close of New York would see further repercussions to the downside and look towards 71.35 to 70.75. Looking to the top side, I do view the resistance from around 72.30 to 60 as a cap. Well, overnight, the US dollar surged further and posted a high of 95.87. And this, on the flip side, saw Euro plummet to 113.81. With Brexit and the UK political headlines continue to be the key driver at present, the market could show further potential to the downside as the dollar strengthens. And from the break of 114.45 does warrant or give some merit for the downside, with the MACD breaking now beneath the zero, along with the marriage that I call of midway point on the RSI 3-day look back of 50 does promote this to a target of 113.15. Well, dollar yen hasn't made any significant moves and still at this stage is capped by the level of 108.80 or the downtrend as it now trades sideways. Not clearly broken, but from a technical point does show further threat. A clear break above 108.80 would give further merit to the upside and look towards a target of 110.25 before any turnaround. Support this stage at 108.20. Well, overnight, the markets were very erratic, as you can see, with the pound plummeting to a low of 126.67 on the leak of the vote. Now, the Brexit vote came in that Theresa May's deal has rejected by 230 votes, the largest defeat for a sitting government in history. Parliament's vote by 432 votes to 202 to reject the deal, which sets the out of the terms of Brexit's exit for the EU on the 29th of March. If you are trading it, the parameters are very wide at the moment, 124 to 130, and then inside that, it's just going to be a lot of noise. Gold still maintaining under 1,300, and at this stage still poses a threat to the downside. As you can see, the market is still breaking down from a technical point. We could see a pullback towards the region of 1,272 to 74 before the call to a buy and see a rally on towards 1,300. And wrapping up with the oil, you can see here that there is a pattern that forms a shoulder, head and shoulder. Now, a break of 52.90 would give further scope up to the upside and look for a measured move to $64 a barrel. This is a very strong call, I know, but the measured move is very significant, and the fact is it does warrant some rebound, considering we have fallen from 77 to the lows of somewhere around 42. You can see here from a technical point that the MACD is still bullish and the RSI has rejected the midway points. Let's see how it plays out. The immediate target, as I mentioned, 52.90, then 53 to 55 and onwards. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.